Hi everyone, Pete here. Today I'm going to show you how to restore the default settings on the LogiFire 4118 panel. Let's get started. First, enter the panel menu by navigating to System, then Programming, and finally Restore Defaults. When you select the Restore option, here's what will happen. All panel programming and logics will be wiped. All peripherals will be set to default. Connected devices on the loop will be readdressed. All devices will default to Zone 1. All device locations will be wiped. It's important to note that devices will be addressed numerically as wired. Make sure all peripheries are saved as per video number 1 before proceeding with panel programming. After you've reviewed these points, you can proceed with restoring defaults. Confirm your selection and the panel will reset accordingly. And that's how you restore the default settings on the LogiFire 4118 panel. Thanks for watching and happy programming.